All right, what's up today, everyone? So we are here at Heritage Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram in Owings Mills, and we're gonna go over how to order a car today. Mainly because one of my buddies, another one in a couple months, is he's ordering a Scatpack Charger today. So while we're here, I'm gonna go over basically the entire process from start to finish on what it's like ordering a car, how do you go about doing it, things to know, questions to ask, stuff like that. So yeah, waiting for my buddy to get here, and then we'll head inside and get started with this ordering process. All right, guys, so this is Vondell. He just ordered his I guess it's going to be a 2021? 2020. All right, so he just got a Scatpack too, just like my buddy Matt, just like my 2019. So go ahead and tell us what you ordered here.
All right, so we got a 2020 Scatpack. We got the 8-speed, of course. We got the white color, red seats, dynamics package, of course, gotta have that. Harman Kardon, the sunroof, plus group, red brakes.
Cool. Yeah, that's it.
Yep.
So yeah, we're going with a little white and red theme. It
Yes,
seems
sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Get the roof wrap black. I couldn't go with the $1,500.
Yeah, it's a little expensive.
$1,500 thing. Too much.
So white exterior,
Yep.
red seats, red brake calipers.
Yep.
It's gonna look good.
Yeah, man.
And then of course, you know, my boys at Heritage hooked it up. We got them a really good deal on it. Plus, you know, the power dollars is still going on. So if you're thinking about getting those, any Dodge right now, go and scoop one up or come down here. And if you're in Maryland, hit me up. I'll get you with our guy Aaron, and we'll get you a really good deal on it. But first, I just noticed, I don't know if you saw, there's a car right here. Yeah, let's take a look at
Probably
this.
gonna place an order for a wide body Hellcat.
Yeah, wow. Did not expect to see one of these today. So yeah, it's a nice little, I think it's a 430. Yeah, it should be a 430. Yeah, I'm all about that. All about that. Maybe one day, right? I don't know if I do Spider though. Probably just a coupe. But yeah. So I guess in
He said first week of September, but we'll see.
Matt's, you guys might have seen the last video. Matt's came in 4 weeks. So, and that was 2 months ago. No, a month ago. He just got his last month.
Yep.
So it might be 4 weeks, might be 6 weeks. But when it does get delivered, we are going to come back here and I'll do a little delivery video of that, just like we did for Matt's. So any plans for the car?
You know, we're just gonna rock out right now.
Just gonna rock it with stock. I mean, no.
Well, wrap the roof black, of course.
Are we gonna wrap? What about the hood?
Where y'all focus?
Right now, just the hood, just the roof.
Just the roof?
Right
oh
now.
yeah, because you got the sunroof, so that'll okay. Cool.
Just the roof right now.
All right, man. Well, yeah, we'll see you guys. Well, I guess we'll see you back when the car gets delivered. So.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All right,
sir.
man.
Appreciate it.
Cool. All right. So what we're going to be talking about today is basically the process of ordering a car from the factory. So I guess we'll go ahead and get started. Can we run through a fake option and then just go through the things? All right. So
essentially, and some of this is proprietary information. I can't actually go into the website, but what I can do is do a prototype.
Yep.
You would come in. We would literally spec out the vehicle together. We go over every option from wheels to tires to options and equipment, color, everything on any type of Ram, Dodge, Chrysler, or Jeep. And
so yeah, you can basically build it however you want. So say you come down to the dealership and there's no cars on the lot or within any of the networks that you want. It doesn't cost anything extra to order. It's usually a $500 deposit.
correct.
Yep.
Correct.
So a $500 deposit down on the day that you order, and then after that you just wait through the process. It's usually 4 to 8 weeks.
6 to 8 weeks.
6 to 8 weeks.
Yep. The other thing is, it will. If the rebates are better at the time of delivery, you get the lower rebates.
Yeah.
So.
Now we're just going to go through a little bit of the process that, you know, questions that he would, Aaron here would ask me, like if we were speccing out a car. So go ahead.
So we're actually doing, guys, a 2020 Scatpack wide body Charger.
Not for me. Not for me.
It's got several different seat options that are available. One being obviously the cloth with the Performance B logo, and then you also have the Scatpack logo with the Napa/Alcantara seat. You have that in different colors. You have a black, you have a ruby red, and you also have a caramel. Caramel/black.
Yep.
So I would ask you about that. You would select the.
Yeah, basically, you were talking about the seats,
Yep.
right? So you can pick whatever interior options you want. Go through, pick any packages that are on them. So you can basically customize the vehicle whichever way that you want it ordered. And then, so I know that some of the standard protocol is you guys will do the build, and then if there's one in the area, you guys usually search for one.
Yeah. So typically, what happens if we have one in our network, obviously that's the preferred way of doing it because we can get it to you more immediately for immediate delivery.
Yep.
If we do not have one in stock, or if we don't have one in our network, and if it's a very specific like build and request that you have, like specific options or specific like a weird color, like the thing is, even though it's a weird color to me or someone else, if it's what you want and dealerships don't stock it, let's just say hella yellow or something like that, you know, I've done a build. It was on a Wrangler, mind you, not on a Charger, but the person wanted that specific color, and there was literally none in the entire United States.
Yeah.
So if you want that type of vehicle and you want it exactly the way you want it, optioned out like that, we do it. We can build it.
Yep.
And when it's a sold order, the other thing is it's expedited, so it goes to the top of the list with the manufacturer. They also give they update you as it's in production. You'll typically get some type of notification with the VIN number, so you can track the progress of the vehicle as it's being built.
Yep.
So those are all great things about FCA, and which is basically Fiat Chrysler Automobile Association.
Yep.
That's the parent company for Dodge, Chrysler, Ram, and Jeep.
Yep. It's a very easy order process. I mean, I've ordered 2. Me personally, I've ordered 2. And then, I mean, you just saw Vondell just ordered his, and then Matt before him. So, super easy order process. I mean, the only drawback to ordering a car would be that you have to wait for it to be built.
Well,
so that's the only real drawback.
One other thing, and some people say this, they just like to drive a car that's a prototype, you know, because they actually, you know, some people are like, well, I don't want to buy something that I haven't driven yet.
Correct.
And that's understandable. However, there typically is something at the dealership that you can drive. It's not exactly what you
But it'll be similar.
But it'll be similar.
Yep.
So
takes kind of the pressure off of ordering a car and not knowing what you're getting.
Exactly.
I mean, for me, when I ordered the Hellcat, obviously, especially the red eye, no dealership's going to let you go test drive a red eye. So I mean, I took a little bit of a leap of faith on that, but you know what you're getting when you're getting a vehicle like that. So that's a little bit of a niche market, I guess. But
for sure. So, you know, in summary, the build process is really simple. You come into the dealership, meet with sales consultants such as myself, Aaron, once again at Heritage Jeep in Owings Mills. And what you would do is you would basically, I would turn my monitor over. So you're telling me, I'm not telling you, you're telling me out of all the options that are available, specifically what you want, because most people have kind of done their own preliminary homework. So they have a general idea.
Dodge.com.
Yeah. But they also, you know, sometimes they still need a dealership to kind of explain to them, okay, well, what does the technology group actually include? Sometimes people don't know. So if someone had that question, I can tell them what the technology group includes. Advanced brake assist, the auto high beams, so that's included. The rain sensitive windshield wipers. So all of these things, the lane departure, are included in that package. That's something that some people may not know, because when you're doing it on Dodge.com, a lot of times the availability of certain things may be a little bit different.
Yep, like paint colors and even certain packages. Like when we got the Durango back in March, online they still had the third row seat delete.
Right.
But for 2019, I guess it wasn't actually an option anymore. 2020, sorry.
Yeah.
It was an option on 2019s, but for 2020, it was no longer an option. But when we were building it online, it didn't necessarily match what could be ordered in person. So that's just something to also consider. And then, like Aaron here said, if there's an option package or something that you're not sure if you would want it, there's probably a car on the lot that you could go take a look at and then decide whether or not you want to add it into your order or not.
Absolutely. So you can option out all of your, everything that you want to build. It's a lot more efficient than people think, because two misconceptions is that it takes forever to get your vehicle. It does not. It's 6 to 8 weeks. The other misconception is that it costs more. That's also false. So at the end, once we go through every option on the vehicle, as you would relay to me, then I would print out a buyer's guide with the number that we would sell the vehicle for, and that guide is basically going to be, as long as we agree on the price, and only once we agree on the price, then we'll go ahead and execute the order. And all we're going to take from you at the time is a $500 deposit. And then on the day of delivery, obviously you would finance less whatever that $500 is.
Correct.
In addition to that, once we place the order, the day of we place it, if the rebates are actually higher at the time of delivery in 6 weeks or so, then you pay the lower rebates. You would never pay more. You would always, it would be locked in, or you would pay less at the time of delivery.
Right, so that actually helped me out when I ordered my Hellcat, because the day that I actually ordered it, Power Dollars wasn't a thing. It wasn't until it was actually being built at the factory.
Yep.
And then it was like 2 or 3 weeks before it got delivered, they announced the Power Dollars and managed to save me $8,000 basically right off the top. So didn't even have to argue with them or nothing for it. Just comes right off the car. So that was a really nice thing. Well, Aaron, I really appreciate your help today.
Thank you so much.
If you do need any FCA product, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, this is your guy right here.
Thank you so much.
I'll put his contact information in the description below, and then just let him know that Sour Horsepower or me, just Chris, sent you. He'll know which Chris it is.
Absolutely.
So yeah, all right. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.